How to change stop time in Djay. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize and make different changes in the time. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top, you can see this yellow like icon. Simply select this yellow like icon and here on the bottom, tap on settings. Now we in this settings interface. So this is the place where you can make different customization. Here, tap on general. Now slowly scroll down. Here there's a section called stop time. So here there's an arrow too. So simply select the arrow and here you can increase the stop time. So it's according to your will and according to the optimization that you want to do inside your music and sound. So you can do it and later simply go back. Now you're all set and the stop time has been fixed too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.